back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to P.S. by HannahMarie, a plain and simple place to talk all things clean beauty and lifestyle. So today we're going to be doing a fun summery bronzy makeup look with Vapour organic beauty products. I have a full review of their products that I'll leave a card up here that you guys can go watch that if you'd like. I'll also leave a link in the description box. So yeah, I'm super excited, and if you want to see a fun summer makeup look, just keep watching. Okay, so first off, we're going to start with the foundation. This is the Atmosphere Soft Focus Foundation. This is the shade S123. So I'm just going to shake it up a bit because it is oil based, so I just want to mix all the pigments and oil together. Okay, I'm going to just take my MOTD Beauty and the Base brush and just apply one pump onto the brush and apply that onto the skin. This does give a really pretty kind of healthy skin glow lit from within. I'd say it's about light to maybe medium coverage. Again, I have a full review of this foundation and the products linked in the description box below. Next, this is the Illusionist Concealer in 023. And I'm just going to kind of apply that under my eyes, kind of in a little bit of a triangle. Normally I don't apply concealer that way, but this is pretty light coverage, kind of sheer, I feel like. And I'm going to kind of dab it over some of my blemishes as well. Just kind of lighten them up a bit and add a little bit more coverage. This is the Solar Translucent Bronzer in Simmer 222, and I purchased this, I don't know, 6 months ago or so, and I love this bronzer. So I love the packaging and just that it's in the stick form, so it's really easy to apply. You can blend it out with your fingers, you could use a brush, a beauty blender, so you could contour with this. But I'm just going to kind of use it as a bronzer and add some warmth. Just going to take my crunchy flat top kabuki brush and just kind of blend that in. So this just gives a really pretty bronzy, sun-kissed glow. Just warms up your skin. I'm just going to add a little bit more because I want this to be a little bit more of a bronzy summer look. I do share about this more in my video, but because these are more oil based and because I have oily skin, the shine factor is a little bit more higher than normal, so I'm going to go ahead and set especially like my under eyes in T-zone And I'm just going to use the Fit Glow Vita Set powder with the MOTD Set and Go brush before I continue. Okay, so that really helps. We're going to continue with a little bit of some blush. This is the Aura Multi-Use Stick in Sultry 227. It's a really pretty kind of pinky, I want to say it has almost a little bit of coral in it, but not much at all. It's more of a, just a really nice everyday pink color. So that's it kind of blended out. I'm just going to take my blush brush and kind of just dab it on here. This is what's so nice, what I like about these products a lot is, again, you can use brush, beauty blender, your fingers. They're quick on the go. You can just throw these in your purse and they don't take up a ton of space either. So I'm just going to apply this to the apples of my cheeks. And this is super pretty because it almost adds to that sun-kissed glow look. Now, we definitely want some glow factor, and I know my skin already looks kind of dewy and pretty just from the foundation, but this Halo Illuminator in Moonlight is really pretty and just kind of natural and subtle. Like, it's not super intense at all. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of that just with my finger. So it just gives a really pretty natural looking glow. There's not like huge flecks of shimmer or sparkle or anything. That just adds to the glow. Okay, so next we're going to move on to the eyes, and I'm going to use the Mesmerize eyeshadow in Firefly. And it is this really pretty kind of bronzy tone with some sparkle. The problem is I feel like this crease is super easy on my eyes. So I'm going to try to add a little bit. I've never tried this before, so we'll see. I'm going to add a little bit of the Fit Glow Conceal Plus Concealer, which just recently came out. And I'm going to apply that to my eyelids because it's a little bit more matte. And then I'm going to set it with some of the Vita Set powder again and then apply it. And we'll see, maybe that'll help it not crease as much. Okay, so now that I've put some concealer on my eyelids to work it like as a primer and then set it, I'm going to just take my finger on this eyeshadow because I feel like that's the way I can get it the most pigmented, and then I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelid. And it really is a super pretty bronzy eyeshadow. I do really like this color. This is like my favorite go-to eyeshadow color because I feel like it really makes my eye color pop, and with the little bit of shimmer that's in it, it just kind of makes you glowy, and it's super pretty for summer. I wish this didn't crease so much because that's a little, I mean, it doesn't bother me too much. Most eyeshadows do crease on me, but I feel like this creases a little bit more than most. Okay, so that's the eyes. Just really pretty. We've got a really nice kind of sun-kissed glow going on. So I'm going to also use the Vapour eyeliner. This is in the color Truffle. And it's really nice because they have kind of a smudger brush on the other side. So I'm just going to kind of lightly line my, just really close to my lash line. Now it may look a little funny. I'm going to take the smudge brush side and just kind of blend it in, smudge it. Alright, now I'm going to just curl my lashes, add some mascara, and we'll be right back to finish off with lips. Alright, now that I've applied mascara, the rest of the makeup look is finished. We're just going to finish off with lips, and I'm trying to decide which color I want to do because they sent me kind of a gloss, which is really pretty, but it comes it looks like this in the container, but when you put it on it's just very natural looking, which I really do like. And then they sent me the color that I have on my cheeks right now, which is a multi-use, which I'm kind of leaning toward, because the other color they sent me, which is definitely a really fun, beautiful color, is more of like a brighter pink red. It's pretty, but with the outfit that I'm wearing today, I'm going to go with the multi-use, which I have on my cheeks, because it's kind of that fun corally summer pink color. And I'm just gonna use my fingertips, gently apply it to my lips. Just kind of ties everything together. I want it to be more like a stain, not so much like really bright and bold. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Diva Velvet Gloss, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of that over top to give just a little bit of a shine. Kind of fun. Like that. Now I am going to try taking the Vapour eyeliner in Truffle and just kind of do a couple little brush strokes on my brows as well, just to kind of lightly fill them in a little bit, not too much because I don't want it to be drastic. And then just to kind of make them look a little bit more natural, I just take a little spoolie and kind of just brush through them a bit. Okay, so this is the finished look. It's just has a really pretty glow, kind of bronzy, just perfect for summer, lightweight, simple. You totally don't have to do all the steps that I did, but the Vapour products are super great because they are pretty much all multi-purpose and just super easy, because for on the go especially, because you can use your finger, you could use a beauty blender, brush, and these are super easy to just throw in your purse or bag and go. Again, if you want to see my full review of the Vapour Organic Beauty products, I will leave a link in the description box below, or I'll just leave a card up here. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I hope you enjoyed watching. See you next time. Bye!